Today I'm looking at Winkbeds.com, another um, e-commerce site, and this time they sell something a little different. They actually sell mattresses. Of course, there's the old saying in marketing, don't sell a mattress, sell a good night's sleep. So let's take a look and see how well Winkbeds.com does this. First, to start off, the site owner asked me to look at their intended audience and see if they're reaching who they're planning on reaching. So uh, hopefully to help you with that, I'm going to let you know who I think this site targets based on the imagery and based on the you're quoting a surgeon, which is important. Very interesting type of social proof. I'm going to say you're targeting millennials who have careers, people who are young within the ranges of probably 20. The low end is probably 24. The high end probably 36 or so. Um, People who are still young and open to different shopping habits and are comfortable shopping online, especially for big purchases, but people who actually have the money to make a responsible purchase. A millennial who doesn't have a career is probably just going to go to IKEA or, I don't know, get a used mattress from a friend or something like that. You're trying to target people who are interested in mattress quality, who value a good night's sleep for whatever reason, probably for their career performance. Um, but who necessarily don't want to go get ripped off at a mattress store like our parents would. So if that's who your audience is, then you've done a good job targeting them. Speaking of sleep, sorry if you hear any background noises. Right now, I actually have a baby that's kind of sleeping in the room, so please forgive any coos and cries you may hear. All right, so let's start going through and look at the headlines, subheadlines, and the call to action. The call to action is good, experience the bed, and this takes me to a page about the mattress. Something I would suggest is changing the URL. Let's go and go to that page. This URL, it says buy-one buy. The word buy is kind of toxic, especially to the audience of millennials you're trying to reach. So perhaps renaming this page um, mattress info or something like that. That was off the top of my head, so I don't use that. But pick something that doesn't have the word buy in it, so they don't feel like they're being sold to. You're trying to inform rather than just sell. So, and this actually buy page is pretty nice too. You have the price, you have the information, premium mattress, comfortable price. That's a really nice combination there. Try the mattress, premium hybrid design. This is a really nicely designed website. You've got a lot of really good things going on. Learn more about the mattress. I would probably get rid of this button and just have like an add to cart or something because you don't want to lead people away from this specific site. And actually, this free sleep hacks, this is something else I wanted to chat about. So Suomi, I like it. I like the plugin. I would say to get 5 free sleep hacks, or learn 5 free sleep hacks. This is more specific and makes you think, well, what are those 5 sleep hacks? Maybe I've heard them, maybe I haven't. Join our list today and start. Let's just start supercharging your REM cycle with 5 free tips on sleeping better. This is a really good inclusion. The REM cycle is a really nice way to target your specific audience. So well done there. Okay, let's go back to the home page. And let's talk about your headlines and your subheadlines. Sleep better sleep, live better life. I like that. Experience the bed. Takes me to the buy page we talked about. Experience the bed. Maybe if you're going to talk about experiencing it and trying the mattress, if you have some sort of like try at home, if you don't like it, send it back. Making that more prominent would make that kind of language a little more appropriate and flow a little better. I say try the mattress. Well, why am I going to try it? I'm going to pay $600 to try the mattress. No, making it more clear that you have like a try and return policy or something, I think would work nicer. I've seen some other mattress sites do that. Okay, so much more than comfortable. I like this a lot. Introducing a smarter way to sleep, I like this even more. So what I propose is that we switch them. Oops. Introducing a smarter way to sleep. Smarter way to sleep. So much more than comfortable. A hybrid mattress merging the plush comfort of foam with the contouring support of air springs. The sleep is deep, the price is sweet, the shipping is free. I like adding another line here because it helps draw this out a little more. What's a hybrid? I don't really, that doesn't really work for me. Something like experience the bed would work well here. So that's my suggestion, changing this button to experience the bed versus what's a hybrid. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's see, select element. And this loads up. I'm actually rendering another video right now, so apologies if it's slow. There we go. Okay. Experience the bed. Yeah, I like that a lot more. Okay, next we got this video here. This video is interesting. You've got some good images. The jumping is good. The jumping's fine because it shows how soft the mattress is. Sexy pillow fight, not so much. Even if you weren't intending to be sexual with your imagery, unfortunately, it's just how people are going to perceive it. Same thing with the dancing on the bed. Kind of weird, kind of out of place. I get that you're going for fun. It just goes on a little too long. So this works. The kicking the legs works, it's fine. The jumping is fine. Just the pillow fight and the dancing just don't really fit with the kind of professional tone you're going with the rest of the page. Next, free shipping, 101 night trial, made in USA, built to order. All these are really, really good. I would move this up like maybe right here. Moving this right below the first image so that we know when it says experience a bed or try the bed, it says 101 night trial. This needs to be brought out a lot more, be much more prominent in your messaging. And this is, I think, a huge selling point too, because first of all, lots of people are going to be willing to try a bed. If they don't like it, they'll return it. Secondly, no one's going to return it. That's so much work to go and return a mattress after 89 nights or whatever, even keeping track of that. So I would say this is going to be really strong and to center a lot of your messaging around that. Next, we've designed a premium mattress that's considered, uncompromising, and a quarter of the price. Maybe that's carefully, instead of considered, I know you use that quote in the surgeon's testimonial, that's carefully designed, uncompromising. I'd add a comma here. And a quarter of the price, just to make sure it separates that. It visually works a little better. I don't know what style guide you're following, but this works better for me. Skip the store and avoid the confusion, high prices, and misleading sales pitches associated with the hell known as, I'm already out of breath. So, let's start with this. Our beds start at $5.99. Sorry again for the little jump. But I would move this at the end. Our bed starts at just $5.99. Move that to the front. And then starts at just $5.99. Skip the store and avoid mattress shopping hell. Something as simple as that. I like that more. I know you're trying to reach, you're being more expressive with like the confusion or the high prices, but when you say mattress shopping hell, everyone's going to have their own idea of what that means and immediately picture, oh, it's like when I had to go talk to this guy and this really scummy guy was trying to get me to buy a mattress I didn't want. So I think that works for me. The long kind of run-on sentence didn't really work, but maybe try a few different things, run it by a few different people and see what they have to say. Next, who we are, what we make, that's good. This quote is really good. As a trauma surgeon, I mean, this really reaches your audience well. The trauma surgeon is leading off with that and his little quote. Sorry, his title. That's the word, title. So that's really good. I would consider moving that above here, above who we are, what we make. I think the biggest challenge of your homepage right now, other than a few minor copy issues, is kind of like the order I experience things. So this, I would say, start with this. Maybe have this, start with that. Next, have this free shipping, night trial, made in USA, built to order. Then have this, introducing a smarter way to sleep. Okay, then have maybe this quote, and then who we are and what we make. And then you can have the video if you want. Includes my website copy review for Winkbeds.com. Overall, you have a really nice site and some really a really good targeting for your audience. Obviously, everyone has ways they can refine it and improve that a little bit, and hopefully my suggestions will help. If you have any other questions, feel free to email matt@matthallwritescopy.com or just visit my website, matthallwritescopy.com. Thanks and good luck with your project.